Together, together, we'll make it every time. Something, something, forgot the next line. Na-na-na, na-na-na. Can you tell I was a child of Disney? And that I'm still a child. Now, I'm not excited about this next one. I believe if we flash back to episode 1, I literally described it as actual garbage. I described actual garbage. I described it as actual garbage. So I tested it in that video, determined it was garbage then. If it goes in the microwave, will it get any better? No. But maybe it'll sound cool. I don't know. I'm actually going to let the plate cool off. And while we do that, we're going to check the ingredients list. See if anything sits off as a red flag. Medicinal ingredients. Chloride, sodium fluoride, fluorine, yeah. Non-medicinal ingredients. Aqua, blue 1, citric acid, flavor, glycerin. This could be bad. Poloxamer 407, potassium sorbate, propylene glycol, sodium and sorbitol, sodium saccharin. I can never tell how to which word letters to emphasize. And sorbitol. Okay, I've heard of that one at least. I know what 3 of these things are, but I recognize more of the words, and am actually kind of afraid to put any amount of this in a microwave. But at least my smoke alarm doesn't automatically call the police, so that's what I'm excited about. Because I know toothpaste doesn't light a microwave on fire. I don't know what this does, but if it does, we cut the microwave immediately. And if it starts burning, well, we'll have this uncapped. I'm just going to literally have it uncapped. So I have to clean up water. It's a lot better than having to clean up a burnt down house. I'm not even happy to do this experiment. This one. I'm actually less scared to do... I'm more scared to do this. But I'm less... This isn't going to bother me. This is. Because I'm going to have to try it afterward, and it's going to taste like shit. Smells like shit already, so not a good start. It's just fucking, I don't even know what that is. I'll clean that. 30 seconds. Just auto start. Not excited. Not excited for the next one. Less excited for this, but that's because this is a taste test. This isn't. I'm not going to have to taste test fucking radioactive mouthwash and Colgate. But I am going to have to fucking taste test this shit. But yeah, I'm going to keep this off in the event of a fire. Because it might seem stupid to douse it with water. But when it comes to this shit, okay, that wasn't even cool. It's definitely warm. Smells better. Needs a bit more time. Not too much. I'm going to cut this 15 seconds in, but yeah, I'm going to take a break after this one because I'm going to mentally prepare for this and then research for the water. The final experiment, cleaning a microwave. As always, though, Frigidaire doing a fine job. Well, we left it too long. While we're here, okay. And also while we're here, but while we're letting everything cool, be asking yourself, what are you doing? Really just delaying the inevitable. But I do want to test the way I'm going to execute this on at least a small scale. Okay, so that's too much. Oh boy. This is going to end poorly. Like I'm not even like shitting myself. This is just going to end either in me inhaling chemicals, and that's no fun, or I'm going to be fighting some kind of gay fire. I don't want to do that. So, God. At least my countertops smell of fucking toothpaste and mouthwash now. That's brilliant. Alright, let's get it over with. Smells how it tastes, tastes how it smells. Like, and they just went out the back. I didn't know you could fucking build a garbage can so poorly. Is it a good idea to microwave this? No! You're dumb if you think it is.